In order to be able to rank our websites higher in search engine results pages, we need to first understand how search engines work. Once we have an idea of how they work, it'll be a lot easier for us to optimize and construct our websites in such a manner that search engines like them. And when a search engine likes our site, it will be automatically ranked higher in search engine results page. In order to completely understand how search engines work, first we need to understand what index of the web is. When you make a new website or make any change to your existing website, search engines send a program to your website. This program is known as spiders. What these spiders do is they open up your website and start fetching and storing data in the search engine's data centers. The data these spiders collect is mainly site tagline, headings, keywords, text, content, links, and images, etc. The spiders ignore the styling of your site or the CSS. This process of fetching is called crawling. The search engines store all of the important data of every site on the web in their database. This data as a whole is known as index of the web. Now, let's break down how search engines work. It all starts with a simple search. A person opens up a search engine and types in a search term. The search engine sends the search term to their software, which then searches the index of the web for related pages to the search term. Usually there are hundreds and thousands of pages related to the search term. A list of all such pages is made in the search engine software. This list is not visible to the person who made the search. Now it's time for the search engine to ask questions from all the pages in this list. According to Google, they have more than 200 questions. These questions include: how many times is the search term used in this page? Are these keywords included in the titles, headings, domain, URL, etc.? Is this page from a quality website or low quality website? And most importantly, how many other pages on the web link to this page? After all these questions, the search engine gives a score to every page in this list. This list is now sent back to the search engine of the user who made the search. This list is then presented in descending order, highest score on top, and so on. All this happens in 2 seconds approximately. So, how can we make our website to be on the top of that list? It's fairly simple. We need to have good answers for those questions Google or other search engines will ask our website before giving us a score. In the next lecture, we'll look at how we can help these spiders to crawl our website properly. We want our website to be properly listed in the index and all the important content to be properly crawled by the search engine.